Hello students, I'm Professor Dhananjay and back with a new lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about changes in market equilibrium. In the previous lecture, we have learned about meaning of market equilibrium and how market equilibrium is achieved. The market equilibrium is a state where quantity demanded is equals to quantity supplied. At this state, the equilibrium price is determined in the market. At a market equilibrium state, there is no tendency to change in price and quantity. Well, market equilibrium may changes under some circumstances. In this lecture, we are trying to understand under which circumstances market equilibrium gets changed. Market equilibrium changes due to three reasons. One, when demand changes or demand curve shifts and supply remains constant. Second, when supply changes or supply curve shifts and demand remain constant. And third, when demand and supply changes together or shifts in both demand and supply curve. Let us try to understand how market equilibrium changes when demand curve shifts and supply remains unchanged. Just to remind you, we have studied that the demand curve shifts when other determinants of demand changes. The demand curve shifts upward or rightward when demand increases and it shifts leftward or downward when demand decreases. In this diagram, DD is the original demand curve and SS is the original supply curve. Both the curves are intersecting at a point E where market equilibrium is happening. At a point E, quantity demanded is equals to quantity supply. Therefore, equilibrium price is OP and equilibrium quantity is OQ at equilibrium point. When demand increases, the demand curve shifts upward and the new demand curve becomes D1. The new demand curve intersects the original supply curve at a point E1 where new market equilibrium achieved. Since at new equilibrium point, that is E1, the quantity demanded is equals to quantity supplied. Therefore, the new equilibrium price changes from OP to OP1 and quantity OQ to OQ1. When demand decreases, demand curve shifts downward or leftward, the demand curve becomes D2. The new demand curve intersects the original supply curve at a point E2. The market equilibrium take place. Since at this point quantity demanded is equals to quantity supply. The change in the demand changes the equilibrium price from OP to OP2 and quantity from OQ to OQ2. You can observe here that when the demand increases and supply is constant, both price and quantity increases. And when demand decreases and supply is constant, both equilibrium price and quantity decreases. This is how market equilibrium changes due to shift in the demand or change in the demand while supply is constant. Now we shall see the case of shift in the supply curve while demand is constant. Remember, the supply curve shifts rightward or leftward when there is a change in non-price determinants of supply. When supply increases, the supply curve shifts to rightward. When supply decreases, the supply curve shifts to leftward. In this diagram, the original equilibrium is happening at a point E1 where equilibrium price is OP and quantity is OQ. When supply increases, then the supply curve shifts to the rightward and the new supply curve becomes S1 S1. The new supply curve intersects the original demand curve at a point E1 where the market equilibrium takes place. At new equilibrium, the price changes from OP to OP1 and equilibrium quantity changes from OQ to OQ1. When supply decreases, the supply curve shifts to leftward and the supply curve becomes S2 S2. The new supply curve intersects the original demand curve at a point E2 where new equilibrium take place. Because at this point quantity demanded is equals to quantity supplied, and price changes from OP to OP2 and quantity from OQ to OQ2. We can conclude here that as supply increases, equilibrium price falls and equilibrium quantity increases. And when supply decreases, equilibrium price increases and equilibrium quantity falls. Market equilibrium can also changes due to shift in both demand and supply curves when demand and supply changes simultaneously. Equilibrium price and quantity also changes. In such situation, the change in the equilibrium price will depends upon the relative magnitude of changes in demand and supply. In this diagram, the original demand curve is DD and SS is the original supply curve. Both these curves are intersecting at a point E where equilibrium is happening. At this point, the equilibrium price is OP and equilibrium quantity is OQ. When demand and supply increases by same magnitude, in that case, the price remains same but the quantity increases from OQ to OQ1. The changes in the equilibrium price and quantity will depends upon the relative magnitude of change in demand and supply. If the demand increases by greater proportion than supply, the equilibrium price and quantity increases and vice versa. If demand increases by smaller proportion than supply, then equilibrium price will fall and equilibrium quantity will increase and vice versa. The shift in the demand curve and supply curve or simultaneous shift in demand and supply curve changes the market equilibrium, which in turns changes the equilibrium price and quantity. We can use these tools to predict how price will change and at what quantity will be sold in the market. I hope you understood this lecture. If you have any queries, do ask your questions in the comment box. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for getting notification of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.